If your meeting space is big enough to use sound amplification, it will be really easy to run hybrid meetings there. That means that participants can join either online or in person, and everyone will be able to hear everyone. In most cases, you only need one cable. A typical in-room sound system has at its core a mixing desk, also known as a mixing console or an audio mixer, and it's usually provided by the venue. This setup supports multiple microphones in the room, and they're all connected into the mixing desk, and that could be wired or wireless. The mixing desk is then connected with cables into the speaker system in the room. Because all the microphones and the speakers are connected to that mixing desk, there is no interference. You can see this, for example, when bands are playing. They're using multiple microphones in close proximity to each other, but it does not cause any audio issues in the space. So how do you connect all of this into your laptop and into your video conferencing software for your hybrid meeting? Most modern audio mixers have a USB connection, and it's often this type of USB Type B connection at one end. At the other end of the cable, you will have a USB Type A or Type C connector, depending on what you have on your laptop. I use this cable to connect my laptop and my mixing desk. This is the Allen & Heath ZED-10. When I connect the two, the mixing desk will appear as a speaker system and a microphone in Windows. And then in my video conferencing software, I can simply select that speaker and that microphone, and I have a perfect hybrid meeting audio setup in my room. In practice, that means that all of the microphones are connected into the mixing desk and are then picked up as one microphone in Zoom. When my online participants speak on Zoom, that audio is pushed through the mixing desk and played through the speakers in the room. And because all of the audio is routed through the mixing desk, there is no interference even when I'm using multiple microphones in my setup. This is what the Zoom meeting looks like right here on my laptop. I'm going to go into the audio properties and show you that the mixing desk has been selected here as a microphone, and it's also selected as the speaker. So all of the sound that's coming from the Zoom meeting into the room will be played through the speaker system in the room. So what this now means is that the sound is going through the microphone, the mixing desk, and into the laptop and Zoom, and it's also being played here via the speaker systems. And whatever you say on the Zoom meeting, if you're joining from home, will be also played through the speaker system in the room. And as you can hear, there is no audio feedback with this setup. There are also other ways of connecting your mixing desk into your laptop using dedicated audio cables and a USB interface. Now, I think using this one cable is the simplest solution, but let me know in the comments if you would like a dedicated video about those other solutions as well. In just a moment, I will share a bonus tip that will really help you level up your most important hybrid meetings. If you would like to hire me for your next hybrid event, please get in touch. contact@markuspresents.com. And here's the bonus tip. With this kind of setup, you'll be able to create very high quality recordings of your events. That is because you can record the pure audio input from the microphones when it's connected with a mixing desk. This is in fact what I do at my comedy shows, and I'm going to show you with 3 different samples. In this first sample, all you will hear is the audio recording straight from the microphone. That means that you will hear mostly the performer and much less of the audience. And I have the official membership magazine of the European Coaster Club. It's called First Drop. It's called that because when the ladies first find out you're a roller coaster enthusiast. In this second clip, you're only hearing the audio recorded with the camera in the back of the room. That means that you will hear more of the audience. And I have the official membership magazine of the European Coaster Club. It's called First Drop. It's called that because when the ladies first find out you're a roller coaster enthusiast. And in this third clip, I have combined the audio sources. And I have the official membership magazine of the European Coaster Club. It's called First Drop. It's called that because when the ladies first find out you're a roller coaster enthusiast. As you can hear in that third clip, we can clearly hear the speaker, but also the audience reaction. If you're planning a hybrid meeting in a smaller space, click or tap the screen right here. In that video, I covered the basics of setting up a hybrid meeting in a conference room. My name is Markus. Thank you for watching.